How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let me create a new post. So you have to simply click on the plus icon on the bottom and select any video or photo you want to post and click on the next. Now once you are here, you have to go for the tag people, so click on it and there are two options. First one is add tag and the second one is invite collaborator. So we are going for the invite collaborator, and here you have to search for your brand or any person you want to collaborate with. Simply search for it by username. Once you are done, you have to click on the tick on the top right and go for the share. Now this will send an email to that particular person that you have add now. So that's how basically you can add collaboration in Instagram after posting.